Stop by and take a look at the 2021 Ridgeline. The Ridgeline was designed to give you exactly what you need to get the job done. And with Honda quality built right in, this truck can be with you for the long haul and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, rear step bumper, tow hitch, all-wheel drive, alloy wheels, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, brake assist, stability control, daytime running lights. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.